What if everything you call real is only one layer of reality? What if life feels solid, detailed, convincing, yet it is not the final truth? Modern science calls this idea simulation theory. But here's the part most people miss. The Quran spoke about a temporary world, hidden layers, and ultimate reality more than 1,400 years ago. So today, on Ayat and Atoms, we ask a serious question. Is this world the final reality, or a designed system with a deeper purpose? Simulation theory suggests that our universe could be a constructed system, operating under fixed rules, limits, and laws. Not random, not endless. Many scientists and physicists openly discuss this idea, not as fiction, but as a logical possibility based on evidence. Long before computers, digital code, or virtual reality existed, the Quran described this world as temporary, limited, and purposeful. This video is not about forcing science into religion. It is about understanding how Islam and science speak about the nature of reality from different angles. In simple language, simulation theory says this: our universe may function like a system that was intentionally created. Scientists highlight several strange facts. Reality follows precise mathematical equations. Time and space have fixed limits. The universe had a clear beginning. At the smallest level, reality behaves differently, almost like pixels breaking down. In video games, characters experience a full world without seeing the code behind it. In the same way, humans experience reality without seeing what exists beyond it. This raises a deep question. If our universe looks programmed, does that mean it was designed? The Quran clearly states that this world is not the final reality. In Surah Al-Ankabut, Allah says that worldly life is amusement and play, while the hereafter is the true life. This does not mean life is meaningless. It means life is temporary. The Quran repeatedly reminds humans that everything here has an end. Bodies weaken, time passes, civilizations collapse. Only Allah remains beyond time and space. This aligns closely with simulation theory's core idea, a world that feels real, yet is not permanent. The Quran does not describe reality as one flat level. It speaks of multiple stages of existence. There is the visible world we live in. There is the unseen world, known as the Ghaib. There is Barzakh, the stage after death, and finally the hereafter, which is eternal. If reality were only what we see, these layers would not exist. Islam presents life as a journey through different phases, not a single destination. This is very similar to how simulations work. Levels, stages, transitions, tests. One of the strongest Quranic concepts is that life is a test. Every choice matters. Every action is recorded. A meaningless illusion would not require accountability. But the Quran connects every deed in this world to consequences beyond it. This gives life structure and purpose. Not chaos. Not randomness. But intentional design. Modern physics shows that observation affects reality at the quantum level. Particles behave differently when observed. The Quran presents a deeper concept. Allah is all-seeing and all-aware. Nothing happens without knowledge. Nothing escapes awareness. Reality is not running on blind code. It is sustained by divine will. Simulation theory often imagines a higher intelligence behind reality. The Quran answers this clearly. Allah is not inside creation, not limited by time, not part of the system. He is the creator of the system itself. Absolute, eternal, without equal. This is not science fiction. This is the Islamic understanding of ultimate reality. So is the world an illusion? The Quran gives a balanced answer. The world is real, but temporary. Structured, but limited. meaningful, but not final. Science is now asking questions that revelation addressed long ago, not with equations, but with wisdom. The real question is not whether we live in a simulation. The real question is whether we live with purpose inside the system. If this video made you think, give it a like. For more content where science, Quran, and reality meet, subscribe to Ayat and Atoms. And tell us in the comments, do you think modern science is slowly rediscovering ancient truths?